Welcome to the next part of the fifth model. We will talk about the third core knowledge material, which is skills for evaluating gendered digital content. In the digital age, the ability to critically analyze information is just as vital as access to it. Especially in the context of gender, digital media content directly shapes individuals' perceptions of identity, social roles, and power dynamics. Therefore, accurately assessing gendered content is not only a matter of media literacy, but also a core skill in promoting gender equality. The following skills outlines the key cognitive and critical skills to be developed in this area, explaining what each skill entails and providing examples of how it can be applied in educational settings. Let's have a look at core skills for analyzing gendered content one by one. First skill is representation literacy. It is the ability to analyze how women and LGBTQ+ individuals are represented in digital content. The application methods are visual analysis, questioning character roles, analyzing camera angles. Second core skill is discourse analysis competence. It is the ability to recognize gender-based ideological structures in text, visual, and video content. Application methods are word choice analysis, metaphor interpretation, discourse framing analysis. Next skill is stereotype awareness. It is the ability to identify stereotypical expressions and recurring narrative patterns about gender roles. Application methods are detecting generalizations, tracing stereotypical constructs within content. Next skill is critical digital thinking. It is the skill to analyze the intent, ideological background, and implicit messages of digital content. Application methods are interpreting hidden layers of meaning, recognizing bias disguised as humor. The last skill is reflexive media tracking. It is the ability to reflect on one's own digital interactions and develop awareness of these behaviors. Application methods are reviewing followed accounts, applying a gender equality lens in content creation. These skills aim to help participants develop critical awareness not only as content consumers, but also as active digital citizens. Representation literacy enables individuals to recognize how women are objectified or rendered invisible through media. Discourse analysis is essential for identifying content that does not contain overt hate speech but still conveys gendered or sexist messages. Stereotype awareness prevents the internalization of gender-based cliches, particularly common in digital advertising. Critical digital thinking supports users in developing a more conscious and resilient stance toward media content. Lastly, reflexive media tracking allows individuals to examine their own digital behaviors and engage in more ethical, inclusive, and sensitive online interactions. These skills directly align with the critical thinking and content evaluation components of the DIGCOMP 2.2 framework, and they reinforce the overall learning outcomes of this module. Now let's go on with practical part of the presentation. Thank you for listening.